Will the X Fold 5 hold up? This time we are simulating a minus 30-degree extreme cold environment for folding ice bucket challenge. High pressure water jet washing and other hardcore tests. Do you think it can survive? Oh, it's almost impossible to find a large foldable phone globally that supports IPX8, IPX9, and IP5X dust and water resistance, but the X Fold 5 has achieved these.
Let's start with an appetizer, the Ice Bucket Challenge.
We first fill this tank with ice cubes and continuously open and close the fold underwater, simulating scenarios of falling into water outdoors in winter or rainy weather. After half an hour of continuous folding, the screen hinge opens and closes completely normally, and the screen has not shown any signs of liquid ingress. The X Fold 5 has really aced all the waterproof certifications. It's so impressive.
Our challenge should be upgraded. This is an industrial-grade temperature test chamber. It can precisely control the temperature at negative 20 degrees, which is more stable and stringent than outdoor natural environments, providing repeatability and complete test value. At 20 degrees below zero, the X Fold 5 will undergo a 2-hour high-frequency folding test, aiming to simulate the durability of the hinge system and screen structure in extremely low temperatures. Now, after 2 hours, the X Fold 5 has been folded over 2,300 times in our minus 20 degrees experimental chamber.
Is it still alive? Let's take it out and check.
Unboxing. Wow. You can see that the entire surface of the X Fold 5 screen is covered with frost.
The hinge's damping is stable, opening and closing smoothly. The hovering function is also normal. The inner screen's UTG ultra-thin glass is intact, without any cracks or structural fractures. The display panel has no dead pixels, and brightness and touch response are normal.
In our practical test, the X Fold 5 was folded over 2,300 times at minus 20 degrees Celsius and passed the low temperature folding test.
This indicates that the mechanical structure of the X Fold 5 has excellent weather resistance in extremely cold environments, with no mechanical fatigue or physical damage caused by sudden temperature changes, verifying the reliability of its robust structure in low temperature conditions. Low temperature environments significantly impact the discharge activity of the battery system. Therefore, we also conducted a battery life test on the X Fold 5 in an environment of minus 30 degrees Celsius. The X Fold 5 uses a blue ocean battery with an equivalent capacity of 6,000 mAh, equipped with second generation semi-solid state cells with an energy density reaching 866 watt-hours per liter. In dual-cell foldable screens, this is considered a relatively rare technical solution. We conducted a 1-hour low-temperature endurance test, which included tasks such as watching short videos, opening games, making phone calls, and so on. After 1 hour, the battery's remaining capacity was 86%, with no voltage jumps or premature triggers of low-temperature protection mechanisms such as automatic shutdowns. Additionally, tests show that under extremely cold conditions, the X Fold 5 can still initiate wireless fast charging and wired fast charging, and in winter outdoors, it can ensure the battery charges and discharges normally. This demonstrates the hardcore strength of the blue ocean battery. But these tests aren't impressive enough. We found a 10-ton water tanker with a water pressure that can reach over 0.5 megapascals, far exceeding the impact of rainwater flow. The X Fold 5 is one of the rare foldable screens in the industry that passed the IPX9 waterproof test. Can it surpass the first generation?
I think the X Fold 5 would say, if I had known, I would have stayed at the factory. After our water truck's intense washing, 5 tons of water have already been sprayed. Do you think it's still alive? The hinge's opening and closing resistance is normal, the screen shows no obvious liquid intrusion, charging is normal, fingerprint scanning is normal, and camera functions are all okay. This is truly a foldable phone that can endure hardships.
So after the whole test, I can only say one thing. The X Fold 5 is incredibly durable. From being soaked in ice water to continuous opening and closing in extreme cold, and then to direct high-pressure water jets, X Fold 5 didn't drop a single swallow throughout. It can charge and discharge normally even at very low temperatures, ensuring long-lasting battery performance. With the Blue Sea battery and full surround waterproof structure, in terms of foldable screen reliability, Blue Factory has truly engraved the words "capable of fighting" into this phone.